guys are getting very excited about Christmas. That's very good. As much as you are getting ready to celebrate with your families and enjoy your dinner and everything, please remember to work out. You can do some small workouts which will help you to control your weight, and so you don't put on weight after Christmas. So I'm here to help you. I'm going to be working on the legs again, and today I'm using steps and weights. You can get bottles of water or cans, cans of milk or something that is heavy, and then follow me. Okay, here we go. You put your leg on your right leg on the step. If you have a step in the house, you can use it. If you don't have it, I'll give you an alternative. Okay, so here we go. And then you go back. Oops. I forgot to count, but we are working on the right leg, and later on we are going on the left leg. Okay, let me go on the left leg. Okay, here we go. Put this leg at the back and then. Ooh. Balancing is not easy. Sorry. I've been having problems with a cold. I'm feeling better now. Okay. For some reason today I forgot to count. But anyway, just do 20 sets. 20 times 3 on each leg. Okay? Remember to drink water. Eat a lot of veggies. Okay. So if you're having problems with the knees and you can't use the stairs or the steps, you can just get a good place where you can do your workout. Okay, here we go. Oh Lord, I'm starting with my right leg again. Hope this time I won't forget to count. Okay, here we go. 1. Okay, did you see that? 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay, let's work on the left leg. It's so funny. You would think that this is a very simple exercise, but I can feel my heart rate going up because I'm also lifting weights, which also helps you to work harder. But if you don't have time, if you don't have, you can't carry weights, you can always put them down. Okay, our time is well spent, and just go like this. Okay? Okay, remember 20 times 3 on each leg. And then after that, after that you can always go and jog. Do something, don't sit at home, guys. Make sure you work out. Christmas is here, we are eating and eating. Don't put on unnecessary calories. Work out and look good. Look after this temple. Merry Christmas to you. Thank you so much for working out. I wish you all the best. Be encouraged, be strong. Even if you don't see the results quickly, don't worry. Just relax. Working out is a lifestyle. God bless you. Bye.